Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 10,000 milliamps power bank that this brand sent to me for the video. I have to say that I tried it already, and I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the bottom line is that this one could be really good for traveling. Number one, because it packs some juice. It has 10,000 milliamps. Also, it has a built-in charger over here for the wall. So depending on when you are in the part of the wall you are, this could be really good for just charging on the go. And it also, the other thing is this one is also TSA airline approved, so you can carry with you on the go inside of the plane. So that's actually kind of nice. And it also comes with this really nice linear over here just to hang it from, clip it. You can clip it from your backpack, you can clip it from your purse or things like that. And of course, really good for traveling and on the go charging devices. Let's actually take a closer look. So a couple things that I like about this one. Number one, you have a display over there just to see how much battery it has left. It's also compact, a little bit heavy, not super heavy, but heavy enough just to put it in your backpack and not carrying it in your hand all day. You're also going to find, by the way, this is a PD 3.0, so it's going to give you up to 30 watts of fast charging capabilities. And you're going to find this one right here with the USB-A and the USB-C. You can charge it via USB-C, or you can pop this one right here. You can pop it up and charge it against the wall, which is going to be always faster. So you have those two options. And then if that's not enough, besides this linear over here, you also have cables over here. So you have the USB-C cable and also the lighting port for the iPhone. So you can actually charge one device right here with the USB-C. At the same time, you can charge another one with this one. And if those are 15 watts fast charge devices, you can actually charge two devices with fast charge. And you also remember you have the PD 3.0 right here with the USB-A. And then you click this button and you have the display over there. I think this is fantastic, powerful, good for traveling, and airline approved for sure. And of course, it's really compact as well. I like it. I do recommend this dude over here. Thanks for watching and see you soon.